Excuse me, sir. Would you like to tell us what you are doing?
Don't mind me. I'm just playing with dirt.
You want to tell us the process of what's happening here?
So you move the wood chips, get to the native ground?
You want to show us when you're done with that guy?
Sure.
Okay.
He's had very good teacher.
You're a cute gardener.
Well, someone made my hair, so.
No. Even when your hair wasn't made, you still look super duper cute.
I'm gonna run out of potting soil.
Yeah. Because you use so much of it.
You used the same amount.
I'm just kidding.
Don't blame me, dude.
I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Look at these little guys. They're so cute. I'm just gonna sit back and relax and record you.
Watch your garden get planted.
Yep. It's exactly what I was missing.
A gardener?
Yep.
So.
Hold on. I'm gonna go on the other side so you can see what you're doing there.
So right now I'm reaching for native ground.
Yep. So you're moving the wood chips aside.
Yep. And they keep falling in. No! All my hard work for nothing.
You got this. Isn't this so much more simpler though?
Oh yeah. So once you reach native ground and remove all wood chips.
Mm-hmm.
See, there you go. No wood chips. Then you grab potting soil and put potting soil.
What was that for?
That's to help the little plants to get into the soil, into the native soil.
Mm-hmm. Very true.
So now what we have here is our little cute pea.
Yeah.
Yep. See, we have those cute little roots.
Mm-hmm.
They're going to be going face down. And the tendrils right here, they're going to be facing the netting so it can grab onto it.
Mm-hmm.
It's like it's a little lifeline.
That's cute.
Once we stuck that in, we grab more potting soil and start basically filling the hole.
All around it?
Yep.
So why are we using toilet paper rolls?
So it decomposes.
Yeah.
And it's a natural little pot holder.
Yeah. Is it beneficial to the peas when it comes to their roots?
Oh yeah.
What?
That you'll have to figure out.
There's less root disturbance, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I remember. I wasn't paying attention in class, I'm sorry.
That's okay. What's the cool thing about the pea family?
Oh, they give nitrogen to the soil.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know exactly what that's called. I forgot.
They partner with a bacteria called rhizobia, right? To capture nitrogen from the atmosphere and fix it into the ground.
Yeah. Okay. Once we has that, I'm kind of running out of potting soil, so
That's okay.
then wood chip time.
My little pieces.
Yeah. First, we're just gonna get all the bigger pieces.
I'm gonna pick that guy up a little bit. Yeah. There you go. And after we're done with all of them, we're gonna water them in.
Yep. Give them some nice little water. And there you go. Pea baby is planted.
How was that?
Simple, easy, and no dig.
Yep.
Well, you dig a little with your hand. Just a little. Just scratch, scratch, scratch.
Yeah, but you're not digging the soil itself.
Yep.
Isn't that cool? Good job.
Thank you.
You're the cutest gardener.
Basically, forced labor.
You kidding me? Excuse me.
I is kid.
Good.